Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add calendar Google Sheets. To start, you are going to open your document in Google Sheets. You are going to select the desired cell, then click on the Data menu and click on Data Validation. After this, click on Add Rule. Here, in the Criteria field, you are going to select the option, Is Valid Date. Click on Done. Now, you can drag the cell to the desired range to apply this formatting. After that, double-click on the cell, and you can select the desired date on the calendar. Repeat this process with the selected cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.